Hello everyone. So let's continue our work from here. So if I remind you what we have done so far. So we create our blueprints, slices them in our blueprint, and we import them to our 3D environment, 3D software. In this case, we are using 3D Studio Max, and then we using these blueprints we model the basic of the car of the Jeep, and we separated each one by looking at the true images which is imported to the pure software, and we then start working on high detail model. So if I move back to the edges view, you can see we are using the smooth modify. If I just ignore that smooth modify, you can see what we have done. If you are not continue your work, so I will provide my model for this extent, for this level, so you can start working on that. But I recommend that you do watch every video what I have published, so you can do more practices. Alright, so then I will what we are going to do now. So let's see this one. I will move back to the element selection mode. I will high detail this hood of this vehicle, right, this bonnet of the vehicle. For that I need to see the close-ups for this one, so you can see a part of this. So as you can see, we can here this a curve, so we have line here, and also line here, and I think there is a little bit narrow down here. To look into that, I need to go back to this view. Alright, and this view, okay, and I look into that this view also, and now look into top view. If you can see the lines clearly. This also have a line here, and here. Alright, so this is a slope here, the single lines goes there, this one also. Alright, so what my plan is, first I need to have these lines, these two lines. For that I will move back to my top view and switched into the edge view and vertex view. So I will just little bit more these vertices, and what I'm going to do is I will just I just double click this one and this one and select all, and if I move back to this view, okay, I will just select the chamfer mode and we'll have 0.2 the chamfer amount, and okay, I press okay. If I put turbo smooth mode and just use this one, you can see we have the lines here now, right? If I try to place as same as the image, you can see we have lines now, these two lines. Maybe we have to adjust these lines, but we can do that in a later. So we'll move back into the edges mode, and if I look into that, these edges is very small in here, so that means I have to go back to the side view, and I need to select these two and to have something like this. This one too. Alright, it's okay, right? Yeah, little bit. Okay, so I need to have this line now. For that, I will go to top view again, switch back to editable polygon, and select this edge without selecting this one. I will select this, not that one, and I need to okay. So we have a problem here now. So what I'm going to do is I will just undo what I have done. Okay, I can't do undo now further. So what I do is I will just click this one and click this one, and yeah, I click these two, and I just deselect these ones, this one too, and I will control backspace to delete them, and I will press into image vertices mode and select these three and weld. So first I need to do is I need to create these edges now. Sorry, select this one, this one, this one, deselect this one, and I will just, and I think I need to adjust this one too. We'll make this one chamfer, and we'll have this default value, sorry, this 0.2 value, and I will go back to the turbo smooth and see what happened now. So that means I have lines now. This line I have some issue with here. I move it into a polymod. Can't see what happened. This need to be deleted. It's okay now. We need to have a curve here, not an edge, and also I need to have some lines around here also. For that I move it to the front view, to the edge mode, and select these edges now, and I will also do the chamfer. And okay, so you can see here there should be a line. For that I need to create this line. I double click this one and create chamfer around chamfer around 2 is I think let's say 1, and okay, and I will select this one and connect, select this one and connect. Okay, I have lines now for this one, but it's a hard line now. I need to have a soft one. For that I can just go into top view and I can adjust these ones something like here, something like this, and I can adjust this one also. I think I need to have another, what is here, to weld this, sorry, connect these two, and I can then remove this edge. Alright, now I have a curve here. Yeah, it's perfect, I think. Right, it's perfect. Alright, and for this one I think these two edges most lower in this position. And also I think I must have a, yeah, I think I must readjust this one. I need to have something like this. Okay. That means I need to have another set of edges for here. Target will lead to this one into this one. Also I will connect these two and this one too. Okay, so what I will do is I will select these edges and will chamfer effect with 0.2 amount. If I move the turbo smooth mode, you can see our result here. So here we can see a edge. To reduce that, what I can do is I can just build this one. Let's see what happened. It's little bit okay now. I think not perfect, but it's okay for now. Yeah, we have some results something like this. Reference to this one. Okay, so I need to create this one now. For that I can see this one here. For if I select this one, this mod, the top view, by pressing T, you can see I need to have switch here, right? But to have this one here. Also I need to push this one into some inside, because if you see here, this part will go inside this bonnet, right? That's why we need to have our this part inside of this one. Therefore I will go back in the perspective mode and select these vertices, and I will push them a little bit back somewhere around here, and I will willing to move into top view, and I will adjust this one too. I can just remove this one too. Remove this one too. Okay, so if I move back to this view, you can see here a little bit curve here. This curve effect should be gone through the everyone. For now I will to have this curve effect, select this one, and I will go back to the this should be select this one, and I need to have chamfer effect, something around around 5, I think. Yeah, and I need to have 2 segments now. You can see since we don't need much segments, we only use one segment. In here we need to have another segment, so I will make it 2, so we can have a proper curve effect. And if I press OK and go back to turbo smooth mode, you can see now we have a curve here, right? As in here. Yeah, we have a curve here. And also we need to have this grill. For that we need to have this depth in this part. For that I will go back to the front view, and actually the front view of the car. So what I will do is I will just think I need to move this one little bit, like here. It's providing if I just undo these things. So I need to remove this one. If I select these edges, these ones, and a little bit up, it down, Control S, and then you select this one and go back to jump for effect, and I will have now these edges. Alright, so a little bit, 5 is much, I think. We'll have 3, no, 4. Yeah, 4 is perfect. So I will again have cut for this grill. I will move it into the polygon mode and select tool, and I will select these ones and press delete with keyboard. Right, if I move to turbo smooth mode, you can see our drill here. Also, what I need to do is I need to connect this one around here. Don't try to click in here, just only this mode, this polygon. And for this one also I will create something like this, and I will bring to the front view. I will, yeah, we'll have something like that. If not, I think I can just click these two and connect. Let's see what happens. It's okay. Yeah, less polygons is better every time. And I will adjust this one as I want. And from side view, it's okay. We need to have some adjustments later. So also to see the depth of this shell, I'll just double click this edges, and by pressing shift and drag, mouse drag, I can have the depth, this depth, not too much, thing around that. And also remember, I need to, let's see, if I move the turbo smooth mode, and you can see there is no edge, proper edge, therefore I will move back to the edges mode and I select this one double click this one and chamfer. I will have 1 and I will reduce that into around 1 or 0.5. Done. Okay, now I have a smooth edge here as in the image. I think it's better if I can have a chamfer 1, 0.5 with 2 chamfer segments. Yeah, now we have a sharp edge. Yeah. Okay, I think. Let's see what we can do now. Okay, so we need to cut this one also. For that, I need to, if I move back to this one, this is belong to this one. Yeah, this is belong to this one. That means I have to cut from here. Yeah, I need to cut this one from here. This is the cut tool. And I can cut this one like this to here. No, I will cut that in here. And I'm by pressing 4 and I will pressing 4, I will select this one and delete. Also, I need to have a depth from there also. So what I do is I just double click these edges once, and not before chamfer I need to push this one a little bit back as I discussed it before. I think this edge should be a little bit must go into forward, and this one and this one and this one they should be a little big inside. Okay, to add the jump effect to here also. Alright, so I have something like this now. and I will move back to this one. So this is little bit complex, and also I think there is a line here also. See another image. This line, right? Is it continue to the front grid also? There you can see a little line, little bit. That line should go around here, I think. Actually, I can't see that. Yeah, if I see, there should be a little bit line here. If I move it into this one, you can see we have a line here. This line, the whole one. I think I need to have a little bit chamfer effect from here. Not two elements, it's not a sharp edge, so I will use one. Yes, and I will keep as it is 0.5. So I can connect this one to here. Okay, and let's select this one, not this one. Sorry, this one and this one, and I can deselect this one and this one. Okay, I will use the chamfer effect around 1.5. Yeah, it's a little bit. Oh, I think 1.5 is okay. Before that, I think I have to select this one too. This one and this one. Yeah. Now I will select chamfer, and if I move to turbo smooth, you can see the chamfer effect now. And I will think from here also I can use this chamfer effect, this same value for this one also. Just select this one, deselect these ones, and I will chamfer one. I will just click target on this one, a little bit down, this one also a little bit down, and I will just select these values and move a little bit down, and select these ones and move down a little bit. Okay, and move the turbo smooth mode. Okay, alright, so there are many changes to be done. It's okay, I know. And what I need to do is I need to cut this one. Alright, so I will use cut tool, and I need to cut this circle. For that I will use edges as simple as much as possible. For a circle we need many vertices, but in this case we'll use only few vertices. Alright, I think I have a circle, so I will just adjust the vertices a little bit. I have 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 vertices I have for this circle. 4 press 4 and 4 and just delete these ones. So then I need to connect these just to everywhere. So I think I can just connect this one to this one and this one into this one and this one into this one and this one into this one. Using the cut tool I can cut this one. And for this one also I can just cut this one. For this one I can use another cut to here. For this one also I can have a cut. Let's see what happens. Okay, not bad, right? We have a proper circle now. See the edge is also, I think it's okay. As you can see, we need to push this circle into a little bit back. That's why what I'm saying, we need close-ups. See this a little bit back, and also we need to have these lines also. For that, first I will create this line. So I need to push these ones a little bit. This one too. This one too. I need to simply build this one. Okay, turbo smooth mode, not much bad. So try move to circle. Is it a circle or not? Yeah, it's a circle, but we twist here also. Or maybe I can increase the vertices, number of vertices. I can see we have some issue here. For that, we'll have a vertex here. For this one also I will have a, and use actually the cut tool from here. I can get rid of. First I will select this circle and I will push back. Push it back, but you can see we have some issues here, but I will push it back and then I will adjust these vertices. Let's see what happened when we use turbo smooth. Okay, we have this depth here, and I think to get the proper view I need to have this one too. For that I will connect this one into here also, and this one into here, this one also into here. What is the chamfer? Not much. This like 1. We have proper 1, right? That means 0.5 and 2 segments. Let's try. Oh, it's much. Too much. 5. Going to work. Yeah, it's too much. Too sharp here. That means let's say 1 segment. It's okay, right? Yeah, it's It's okay, I think. And button side view, I can adjust this one. This, I think we can just delete this one. And we have some issue here, so what I can do, let's try to get rid of this edge. No, we have issue here, so that means I can use this cut tool to click this one, and then I can remove this one. Okay, that means we can cut and create this edge one, so it's not properly. Now you can actually remove this one. You can just connect this one. Yeah, properly curved. For this one also I can use the cut tool, and using the cut tool I can just connect this one and this one directly into this one, and I can remove these edges now. Also, I think to little bit push this one back and these vertices to have the proper curve. This one too little bit. Okay, if I now better the turbos move without edges, you can see perfect now. Yeah, it's okay for now. There is a little bit confusion here. Yeah, for that I think I can have this new line as in here. Can just connect these two and also get rid of this one. Actually, we have some issue around here. I think it's okay for now. We can change that when we modeling this buffer. Alright, I think you can properly understand what I did for these two. Actually, this is very time consuming. Yeah, I know. But to get a proper output, you need to do some practices and also need to do some contribution to your work. I think there is some issue here, so that means I need to push this one back and these two also. What happened to this? Don't know what happened to our edges now. Let's try to select these edges a little bit down so I can have proper, you know, by looking at top view I can adjust this one now. All right, we can do the changes in our next video. So try to complete this your model into this way, so we can just finish the front part of the vehicle. Okay, then see you in the next video. Thank you.